Hey guys, PMHK here obviously. So I've been using the iPhone SE for the past 3 months and I kind of have some thoughts on it. Now, prior to using the iPhone SE, I was using the iPhone 5S, which was close to the iPhone SE that was done in the past by Apple. But the main reason that I use this phone is that I just wanted to challenge myself to see if I could use such an old device in today's age, and I actually made a video on that which I'm going to link up here. Now, the fact that I was using this device, in the beginning I thought that would actually cloud my judgment because I was using a very old device and then I had jumped to the iPhone SE. Obviously I was going to see the speed increases and all the new features that the device came with. But on the other hand, also the fact that I was actually coming from an older device made me love this phone, or using this phone, even more, I must say. So in most cases when people are actually looking for a new device to buy, or in my case, I tend to look at things like camera quality, the form factor of the device itself, the software, the battery, as well as the price of the devices. So that's camera, software, price, form factor, and camera quality. In terms of the battery itself, I was actually getting between 6 to 9 hours of use before I actually had to put it and plug it to charge, and that's mainly because I am kinda always on my phone like most of you are, but I actually have no complaints about the battery. Because if I had to compare the battery on this guy with a phone like the iPhone 11, they are actually pretty close together. Next would be the form factor. The fact that this guy still has big bezels and also it still packs a Touch ID was actually not much of a problem for me, mainly also because I actually love using the Touch ID as compared to the Face ID, and this can actually come in handy especially when you're in bed and you just want to unlock your phone. You don't really have to bring your phone to your face and unlock it, you can just straight unlock it. And as well as when you are maybe pulling the phone from your pocket, which is something that I've mentioned before, you can surely pull the phone from your pocket and while you're pulling it, it's already being unlocked. And as well, also this phone, you mustn't forget, it actually has or comes with wireless charging, which is actually a plus and something that prior phones before the iPhone 8 actually did not come. If you have to talk about the software and you're actually somebody who has used an iPhone before, you know that Apple software actually works better, mainly because iOS and the actual hardware on the iPhone are all made by Apple, so they are actually able to optimize these devices to the maximum capacity, I'm assuming. Now, camera quality. This device in terms of camera quality can again be compared to devices like the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro, and I've actually made comparison with a friend's phone who is using the iPhone 8 Plus, and the camera on this phone actually blows that phone's camera out the park. Now, as for the price, just looking at Apple smartphones, not trying to compare it to Android devices, which I can name a few, such as the Galaxy A51 or A71, which are actually real budget phones even here in South Africa. The iPhone SE, compared to the other iPhones that Apple makes, this is going to be the budget one, or the cheapest one that you're gonna be able to buy, which cheap can actually be subjective. But if you're looking for an iPhone that's still gonna get software updates like 5 years from now, this is actually one that you should consider buying because it's the most affordable one, especially if you are new to the iPhone or to the Apple ecosystem. So in conclusion, if you're somebody using an iPhone 8 or prior and you're looking to upgrade, and obviously you still like the big bezel that these guys have and you love Touch ID as opposed to Face ID, and also you like the fact that you can charge your phone wirelessly, I really think this is one strong option that you should consider buying. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Hopefully this video was of any help, and if it was, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Make sure you click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace.